So friends, welcome to a new tutorial video on our Petrotency Geosciences platform. So in the earlier video, we have seen that how we can download several digital elevation model data from USGS Earth Explorer website for a particular study area. Now today, we'll see how to merge all those files into a single file, because when we'll work on that particular area, so we need a single file for better handling the data, and whatever operations we want to do based on this digital elevation model data. So for that we need to make it a single file. So as we have already created our project in QGIS software, which is free software, so now we need to load all those files which we have downloaded from this USGS Earth Explorer websites into our QGIS platform. So for that you need to click this layer option, and then you need to go this add layer and then add a raster layer. And from here you need to select your data files, right? Raster database, click this, right click, and you will see all your data files are here, and you need to select and then add and then close. So from this software, QGIS software, you now have loaded all those data files, right? So from that, if you think that some data is needed to be removed from your output data file, so you can check, you can tick off all those files 1 2 3, okay, and you can remove here, remove layer option, remove this one and go to this one, remove, okay, and this is also remove. Now this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 14 data files are there, right? So now instead of all single files, if you want to make it a single file by combining all those files, so for that you need to merge all those files. So for that, in the software QGIS there is option, so that you need to go to this raster and go to miscellaneous button and then go to merge. From here you need to select your input layers, right? So input layers, you need to right click this one, and from this input layer panel you can see all your data. The list is given here, so you can select by 1 2 3 like that, or if you go to this select all button, click this, so all this file will be selected, and then okay, you need to click OK. Then you need to go this option, that is output data type. So it is by default showing float 32. So whether my data type is float 32 or not, because what are the input data type, output data type, we need to make it the same, right? So let's check. So go to this any file of your input data panel, okay, and right click, go to properties, and then go to information, and here you can see your data type, that is here, that is int 16, okay. So now cancel it and go to drop down and you select int 16, and now it is selected, right? So next is your merged data file. You need to save your output data file into your directory, right? So you just right click this one and save file, and if you give, that is your data file is QGIS, okay, in Sundarban, okay, for January 2025, right? This is your file name, output file name. So now save this one, and then you need to just run this button, right? So it will take time, sometimes depending upon your input data file types, and once it is completed, that software will display that algorithm merged finished. that means that operation has completed and software has merged all those files into a single file. So now you need to close this one. Then you need to check whether that software has done it correctly or not. So for that, tick off all your input panel data files, okay, which were used to merge into a single files, right? So now we are giving this one, this output file which software has generated, QGIS Sundarban for January 2025, right? So you can check, tick it off or tick it off. You can see that it is a single files. Now let's see whether how it is looks like in color mode. So for that you need to go to right click and go to this properties panel, then go to symbology, and here you need to select this option, single blend pseudo color, and then you go to your color map. So I am, instead of standard color map, I am choosing create new color map here, and here you can go catalog specificity and you can click OK. So now there are color table, it is displayed. So from that you can select as per your convenience. So I am going these options and selecting this one BCYR, okay, and then okay. And now if you increase the number of classes of your uh, output data files, so you need to check this one, that is quantile mode. You need to go how many quantiles you need to. So here by classes it is showing by 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So now if you want to increase these classes, so you just go this option. So suppose I am creating 12, so 12 color set, you can see these classes, just apply. Okay, now your data, it is displayed in color mode, okay, and you can see nicely it is displaying. So now you have converted all those single files into one merge single file, and you now convert this grayscale mode to your color output file, right? So you can save your project, go and save this, and as I am given this name Sundar1, so I just save this project, it will take place. So now it is completed, right? So using this you can use this map as per your study or requirements. So I think I have described it to make you understand that how you can merge these several digital elevation model data files into single files. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.